And
And
we
we
are
are
live! Hello, hello.
Hello, hello everyone. Kumusta, kumusta? Uh, this is Gina again. And I am a nurse from Northern California. And today we are doing our day 34 of our 90-day success challenge. So usually, normally we do it individually, but tonight we decided to just do it for the three of us. That way we can give more more. We can share more to you, to all of you guys. And our topic for today actually is the importance of quality time. So today is our day 34, and the date today is August 24th, 2024, and it's already 8:45 p.m. here in Northern California. So before anything else, I would like to introduce to you my two business partners. They are nursepreneurs as well. And I'm going to give the floor, the stage to Julianne, to Jao.
Hi everyone! Impromptu to So hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. And by the way, my name is Julie Ann, a business owner, proud digital business owner and business mentor. So thank you, Jeez, for this for this impromptu na live. Oh my gosh, surprise sa lahat. And yes, I'm a nurse by profession and I'm also here in California. And go ahead, Zap.
Yes, go Sap.
Nahihiya pa ako. Pero,
Sorry guys,
yes,
this is
hello. Ano?
this is impromptu kaya kami nasusurprise kami sa sarili namin. Okay?
Yeah. Well, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to everyone. Also, my name is Zapra. So I'm also a nurse. I work in the emergency department with these two ladies, and I'm also a proud digital business owner. So, hindi pa ako sanay sa mga live na ganito, but I'll try my best.
Hooray!
Okay. So, I'm hoping that this is just gonna be a quick live for tonight. But we have 5 million viewers, guys. We have 5 million viewers. Sis Amy is watching. And thank you, Sis Amy. Okay. So, ang topic namin for tonight is the importance of quality time. So, alam natin na ang quality time, it comprises everything, di ba? Hindi lang siya sa love life, hindi lang din siya sa family, but, all your loved ones. Kasi quality time is very, very important kasi it makes any kind of relationship more stronger. Ibinaband niya mas lalo yung isang relationship. Either asawa mo ba yan, or anak mo, or any of your family member or your loved ones, di ba? But alam natin na in today's world, yung natin, there are so many distractions, di ba? Kaya kadalasan, lalo na, di ba, ang dami nating distractions like yung mga cellphones natin, yung gadgets. So, madalas, ang dami nating hindi natin nagagawa to provide the quality time for our loved ones, 'di ba? Dahil sa mga distractions na 'yan. So, napaka-importante to always remember to kind of be mindful na ibigay natin yung quality time with our loved ones para it reduces stress sa family, di ba? It promotes relaxation as well. And so many things. So, nandito kami ngayon to to encourage everyone to be mindful on implementing the quality time with our loved ones kasi kahit kami, we are guilty of that, but we're humans. So, I'm gonna have Jao to
Yes,
give
tama si
the
Ate Gina.
first example on how to kung paano ba niya ini-impose yung quality time sa kanyang buhay.
Nako naman. So, yes, yes. So, our topic for today is about quality time. So, ano nga bang quality time? But usually, quality time these are the priceless moments, right? That we spend to our loved ones. So, we have to cherish every moment, every minute, every hour, parang kanta yun, 'Di ba? Dahil, alam natin na time is, precious lalo na dito sa, mundo na 'to, 'di ba? So, amen daw sabi ng asawa ko, "Come here." So so yes, yes, for example, yung sa, pag-spend mo lang ng, even if very short lang na time with your family or with your kid, that is already a precious or quality time already. Tulad nung sa pagkainan, 'di ba? For Filipinos, especially for us Filipinos, we are used to have a meal together with the family, 'di ba? Pero dahil sa mga gadgets na yan na sabi ni Ate Gina, mga TV, mga cellphone, mga yan, but more sana pag sa kainan dapat pinagbabawal yang mga yan para mas-spend more ninyo ang time, ang pag-bond ninyo sa family, especially when eating, 'di ba? Kasi, especially food is very precious na dapat pinagsasalamatan yang mga yan and we have to spend it with the loved ones, 'di ba? So, anong masasabi mo dun, Sis Zap?
Yes.
Yeah, especially Sis Zap has a very big family here in the US and,
Yeah.
'di
Marami
ba?
siyang
Iniisip ko parang example sabi niyo, 'di ba? Example
Ah.
ng quality time kasi no, kasi actually just yung topic pa lang natin, it actually already make me think about yung this is the main reason why nag-join ako sa business kasi is the quality time, to have more quality time with my family. You know, kasi nga so sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, so I already said I'm a nurse, but I'm also a mom. I am a mom to 5 beautiful uh, girls. So I have 5 daughters right now. I'm actually on my maternity leave. I'm on my just third week postpartum pa lang. So I have a very young baby out here. So quality time, of course, ng mga bata, yun ang isa sa mga um, pinaka-reason ko, like I said. And though yun nga, quality time can actually be just being with my kids is already enough para sa akin na at least makita ko, makasama ko sila when they get out of school. So kasi I work night shift as a nurse, kami mga night shift workers kami. So you know, parang that's the best time for us, at least parang yun yung mag-work sana sa akin. I thought that would be the best schedule para at least sabi ko makita ko sila in the morning, but yun nga lang, I you know, as time goes by na realize ko actually when I at home, even though nakikita nila ako nasa bahay, I'm mostly asleep. So yun yung nagiging problem namin, and actually just having a day na kung saan kasama ko sila na be able to eat with them, kasi nga nangyayari is dahil sa off yung schedule namin, I'm always asleep or I'm asleep during the day. Either hindi ko sila mahatid sa school, or you know, sa mealtime. Mealtime is very important.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ko sila nakakasamang kumain, you know. So simple things lang sa amin malaking bagay na kung saan basta makasama lang namin, nakakain kami sa labas. That's already can be considered quality time for me. So what I do, I try my best na kapag off ako sa work, you know, even though yes, maganda rin kumain sana we try our best na kapag sometimes my husband will cook sa bahay or sa like sa backyard if it's a good weather outside, then we eat outside the
Mhm.
house. I mean sa backyard namin, or we go out kasi depende kung what I do is I try to ask my kids kung ano yung mga kung anong gusto nilang gawin.
Mhm.
Because quality time for me is it's about them, what they want to do. Kasi I have the guilt na laging I'm not always there for them. So it's not about what I want, but it's more about what they want. So at least that's my way na parang makabawi man lang sa kanila.
Mhm.
So yun yung ginagawa namin. But of course recently that because I'm on my maternity leave, I'm always with them and I'm spending more time with them. So yeah, I have more quality time recently.
Yay!
Yeah. Yeah. And that's
Advantage.
very, very good to di ba? Very good example ng quality time sa especially yung pagkain pa lang, di ba? Kasi
Mhm.
simple lang yun na parang uupo lang kayo doon, nakakain lang, pero while eating you can chit-chat, say something, tell something about your life, what happened on your day, di ba?
Mhm.
Tapos
Yeah.
pagkatapos nun is wala na, balik na naman sa kanya-kanyang trabaho or kanya-kanyang pwesto. So that's
Yeah.
a very, very great moment to catch up, di ba? Yung sa mealtime, especially mealtime. Lalo na sa ating mga Filipinos, we really treasure
Mhm.
during mealtime, no?
Yeah.
Feeling ko ang haba ng nasabi ko, pero gusto ko sanang i-add.
Ah.
During the time na I was still pregnant, right? I was already on maternity leave. Yung walking na ginagawa ko
Mhm.
para lang as part of para may exercise ako while I was
Mhm.
pregnant, naging parang quality time din namin because the kids go and walk with me. They want to walk with, I don't know, they want to join me, even if I of course I offer it to them if they want to, but I guess what I felt or parang napansin ko, they just want to join me because they want to spend time with me. So yun yung parang naging quality time na rin namin during the time na I started my maternity leave. So that can count as quality time,
Yeah.
for others out there. Just be able to go out with your kids. And yeah, be able to chat with them or basta makita mo lang na, and makita ko lang actually na yung nag-enjoy ba sila sa
Mhm.
mga sa and kaysa sa nandun sila sa kwarto lang na nandun sila sa laptop, iPad
Done.
nila, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
O tingnan nyo,
Ito, si Ate
simpleng
Gina,
bagay.
balik si Ate Gina.
Oo nga.
Wala pa siyang example.
What about you?
Ano side comment ka pa, Jab? Ajaw?
Especially for parent, no?
Wait, tingnan natin, ilan na ang viewers natin, no?
We have
Hello
7
po, Auntie. Auntie Esther.
So, actually, bago ko ibigay yung example ko naman sa akin, I wanna say thank you sa aming 7 million viewers. This is Amy. Sabi niya, hello, ladies. Thank you, Sis
Hello.
Amy.
Hello po.
Sabi ni Sis Jaja, watching here from Santa Rosa, California. Ang ating beautiful sis Lerna from, I believe, Las Vegas. Hello, mga sis. Sabi niya. Si Kabsat Miriam. Sis Meg, thank you. She's watching from SoCal as well. And sabi niya, wonderful job mga kabsat. Thank you,
Ay.
kabsat. Oh, and I know Ate Beth earlier was here. Thank you. 9 million viewers, diba?
Oh,
Gusto
wow.
ko i-shout out yung mister ko.
Oh,
Nandyan.
Uy,
shout
shout
out
out
mo.
po ganda
Very
namin.
supportive.
Shout out
John
namin.
Kenneth.
Yeah,
Oh.
John. Nandito pala nakita ko si John Kenneth. Ay, hindi pala. Yung pala yung, pasensya na kayo mga kapatid
Shout
ko.
out lang si si John Kenneth Oh, shout out kay Art G. Kay Art.
At saka kay Kitson. O, di sa mga asawa namin, very, very supportive husbands. Ayan. Oo, ayan. Wala namang comment ang asawa ko. But, thank you guys. Alam niyo, first time namin to and we're all learning about this StreamYard. Ang ganda, di ba? So, ang ganda rin ng topic natin. Kagaya nga ng sabi ni Jao kanina, yung simple na yung sama-sama kayo, salo-salo kayo sa hapagkainan, eh, lalo na tayong mga Pilipino sanay tayo diyan, 'di ba? Sa Pilipinas dati, "O, alin na, kain na." Dapat nandun kayong lahat, 'di
Dapat
ba?
yun lahat.
Oo. Pero actually almost gone na ngayon yang ganyan, 'di ba? Kaya nga sa napakadaming distractions sa mundo, kailangan nating maging mindful na ibalik natin na somehow magagawa natin yung magbigay ng quality time sa family natin. Yung kay Ading Zap naman kanina sabi niya na yung spending time with the kids, ay nako, napaka-precious na yan sa kanila actually. Kasi ang pagbigay ng quality time, it doesn't have to be fancy, 'di ba? Hindi
Mhm.
kailangan pumunta kayo sa magagandang restaurants or magagandang lugar at gumastos ng mamahalin, hindi. Ang importante doon is yung may connection kayo sa bawat isa. Kaya yung sinabi ni Ading Zap is actually yun lang talaga ang kailangan mo. Basic yun na kailangan na makakapagbigay ng quality time sa isang family. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko, hindi naman kami fancy. So kami din lang naman, kapag ka day off ko, kaya naman hindi ko day off.
Nawala si, Sis, Jeans. But
Wala yung aking connection. Bumalik na ba?
ayan, okey.
Ayan. So, we work in the emergency department, so we work night shift. Alam niyo naman na kapag antok na kami during the daytime, matutulog na. But, 14 million viewers. Hello, hello. Thank you, thank you. And akin naman, I stay up as much as kang kaya ko just to be with my with my to be with my son and husband kasi dito kami sa labas, magkukwentuhan kami, and as much as possible minsan I try to put down my cell phone kasi I do, business owners tayo, but kahit na 30 minutes lang yan na I put down my cell phone to an hour is very precious na to provide quality time with my family. Tapos kapag day off ko naman, ang tatlong banding namin is magmo-movie time kaming tatlo. So minsan napapatingin ako sa cellphone ko, yung anak ko ang sasabihin niya, "Mommy, I thought you're watching." So he's the one reminding me na we have to put down our gadgets and stuff. Ganon, yun lang naman ang namin ng quality time. But very, very important to keep the family intact. Yung relationship with your loved ones. 'Di ba, mga kapatid?
Yes.
May
Ano
may naisip na naman ako.
Ano
Mahirap kasi siyempre ikaw ba naman siyempre ilan ng anak ko, 'di ba? So, importance of quality time, no? Because I was just thinking about the word importance. Kasi siyempre, like I said, dahil nga marami na kaming anak, yung balancing that na parang balancing yung, kasi even though, yes, paano ko ba sasabihin, dapat parang may balance or pare-pareho yung, paano ba, yung quality ng time mo din sa mga bawat isa sa kanila.
Yeah.
If you get what I mean. And so we have to be observant and we have to consider that sa mga bata. So actually may time na kung saan na lalo na tong mga mas matanda na ng mga anak ko, sila yung syempre when they get to teenage at nagiging teenage, nasa teenage age na sila, no? Teenager na yung panganay. So parang siya yung more on talagang ino-observe ko kung paano ko or how will I spend more time with her kasi mas nakakaintindi na siya, mas nagma-mature yung isip niya.
Yeah.
And plus yung with the situation na may baby kami, may 2 years old pa ako. So yung parang siyempre tumutulong na rin siya sa pag-aalaga kasi So I want to make sure na hindi nagiging, kasi sometimes parang nakikita ko parang she of course she's helping us, she tries to parang bang yung I don't want her to feel na parang unfair na siya dahil siya yung pinakamatanda, she's doing all this other work na tinutulungan niya kami with the chores and everything, tapos yung ibang mga kapatid niya hindi. So importance of quality time, the way I look at it, it's sometimes, kaya kung minsan, I talk to her first, or um, pag kunyari yun nga, yung pag may gusto kaming, kung gusto kong ilabas sila, or I happen to be off nga, I ask her first kasi siya yung panganay, and then I go. Kung hindi siya makapag-decide, then I go to the next. Parang I want to show her na, okay, ate, dahil ikaw ate, I want to give you the floor din, or I want to give, and paano ba, parang pinapakita ko sa kanya na medyo may voice siya, or paano ko ba sasabihin yun, pero yung nga na yun nga, inaano ko siya na I give importance, or I give ano ba yung term ko na gusto ko sabihin? Brain ng mommy na talaga, lima-lima ba naman, wala na akong tulog recently. Pero yun nga yung parang na at least meron siyang say din, kasi nga I don't want her to feel like dahil ate na siya na, or ano kung ano na lang yung parang, kasi lalo na kung minsan we go to a park, for example, we go to a park, tapos yung park pala hindi pa pwede sa, or old na siya, parang there's nothing that she can do in that park, hindi siya mag-enjoy, di ba? So I have to balance it. I have to make sure that when we go somewhere, everyone is going to have fun. Another thing is, kaya nga kapag kunyari may ginawa kami, okay, I want to take you guys out, saan? O di magde-decide sila. And then after that, I ask them, did you guys have fun? Yun yung ginaging question namin ng mga daddy nila. Kasi kung parang may napansin kami na hindi sa kanila hindi nag-enjoy, then okay, we're not done yet then. So where are we going next? Parang ganun. Kasi especially if we set that day na okay, that day is for them, that day is for us to have that quality time, and napansin namin hindi nila na-enjoy, or not everyone had enjoyed it, then we haven't completed the task, 'di ba? So yun yung ginagawa lagi namin mag-asawa when we do quality time with the kids. So
Fair, walang favoritism.
you try to. 'Di ba?
Ayan. O, 'di ba? Kaya ano pa ba? Ano pang mai-add mo, Jaw?
Parang walang masyado. Parang daming kasi actually I don't have kids, parang husband lang. So, yung sa amin lang naman is simpleng kwentuhan lang sa bahay, yan. Kasi lalo siya, hindi siya mahilig naglalabas. Ayaw niyang lumalabas, mas gusto niya sa bahay. So, we just stay at home, watch movie, okay na siya dun. And then, dun lang sa backyard, yung tambay lang. Tapos, ano pa ba? Kasi pag lumalabas kami, hindi siya masyado eh. And long drive, hindi rin masyado. But walking, simple walk lang siguro, pwede pa. Ayan yung mga simple quality time naming mag-asawa. And ano pa ba? Pero mostly yun eh, kwentuhan. Mas gusto pa niya yung magkape at kumain na lang sa bahay. Yan ang ang type niya. Kaya yan. Yes, and right now it's more because we also had that long distance relationship for a while, for a long time. So but when he came here, I was busy working also as a nurse, diba? Alam mo naman yung Jeans. And then and then after that, I've decided na parang wake up call na, hey, it's time also to spend time with your husband. And then after may nangyari nga, parang doon ko na-realize na, parang oo nga, no? And then having this business, it made me realize na, alam mo yun, parang ma-realize mo na lang na kulang pala ang oras ko sa asawa ko. Kasi especially we have this digital online business, so we have to leverage the use of social media. We have to show who is our husband or who we are through social media. And then ang dami naman namin napasyalang mga places, napuntahang mga ginawa na mga adventurous. Pero looking back, parang may kulang na, wow, wala pala kaming pictures or wala pala kaming documentation na kung anong ginawa namin sa araw na yun. Parang yun din yung nakakaano, nakaka-guilty na 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 tumaginting sa sa utak ko na parang ano, may nangyari ba sa amin ngayong taon na 'to? Bakit yung last na picture namin is 2021 pa or 2020 pa? Parang anong ginawa namin nung, the past 2 years ago? What did we do? Pero pag-iisipin mo, marami kayong ginawa, pero wala kayong memories na parang kinip. So sabi ko gano'n na, "Oh my gosh, it's really time to, to, to make up those days na nawala." And it's a good thing that we have this business,
Yes.
and this business were able to help us to, cut down our time to work and spend more time with our family.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a good thing that, this business really helped us or helped me to realize all those things na pinakita sa akin na parang sinampal na, "Hey, kulang yung mga araw mo sa mga asawa mo." And then and then come to think of it na I still don't have a kid or I don't have a kid. And, looking at Zap and Gina, just like, "Oh my gosh, oo nga ano, kulang na kulang, and then what did I do?" Parang gano'n. But it's still not, late
Yeah.
to make up all those, days or to, um, spend more time with your loved ones, so 'di ba? So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm enjoying it, and he loves it. Yeah. Nagiging, more closer nga talaga. So, this is what I really treasure. Kaya sabi ko, I'm very thankful to this business kasi ang daming ginawa. Especially having this quality time,
Mm-hmm.
and the time freedom. We're still not there, but we are slowly getting it, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya
True.
yan yung nakakatuwa sa ano, tapos nakikita ko kayo na kasama ko pa kayo na mga kaibigan ko, and we have this quality time having this go live, right? Kahit na simpleng ganito lang, oh, 'di ba? Hindi masaya na. So, and it's a really good thing, and I was very, very happy also watching our other business partners with the anong pangalan nun? Si Novelyn and Shay.
Yeah.
That they were able to, that was a good example that they were friends for a long time. And
Mm.
through this business,
Yeah,
they had
yeah.
quality time to, to bond, to rebond, to see each other and to spend their same mindset together with this business. So yun yung parang nakaka-amaze talaga, 'di ba? So it's
Yeah.
really a matter of looking a place for you to get that get that or recover that lost times that na nawala, na
Mm.
para maghanap mo yung way para bumawi. And this is it, 'di ba?
True. Totoo. Totoo yan. Kasi si Novs, si Sis Novs, nakilala ko siya nung nagre-review ako ng IELTS sa Philippines. Nagkakakwarto kami ni sa Sis Janice. Tapos na-refer niya kami sa agency niya kaya ako nakapunta dito. So, yun, nawalan kami ng hindi kami nagko-communicate for so many years until nakita niya nga yung post ko. So, guys, that's what we do. We do attraction marketing dito sa business namin. And kung you're wondering, bakit nga ba namin ginagawa to? Bakit live stream na tong mga tatlong nurses na ito? So, para just to let you guys know na because we are proud digital business owners, meaning we have a business. It's 100% legitimate business because we pay our taxes, and para sa mga naghahanap ng makakatulong to, ano bang tawag mo doon, offset yung tax nila, tama ba yun? Or
Offset, write-off. Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
write-off, and this is a good business na magamit nyo to para hindi kayo bayad ng bayad. It's a legitimate way to write off ng maraming bagay like your biyahe, 'di ba? Your office space sa bahay and a lot more. And legitimate po siya kasi last year na gamit na namin to write off. We receive a 1099 from our affiliated company, which is a 50-year-old company, Japan-based. And kaya naman we are so passionate, kaya ginagawa namin to educate our audience that we have a business, a legitimate business, and that we are not scam. Kasi kaya namin pinapakita yung mukha namin dito to let you know na we are real. And kaya naman kami passionate sa pag-share ng business na ito is because we've seen the results ng business na ito na yung mga gumagawa na nito for 5-8 years na where they already they're getting fixed income. Of course, hindi siya madali. Sa mga business partners namin who started their business na, don't give up guys, but you have to show up on your business, 'di ba? You have to show up. Hindi po pwedeng mag-start ka. You invested your time, your money, and you stop because after a month or two, you didn't get results. Because legitimate business doesn't provide results overnight. It's over time. And wag sayangin. You just have to be coachable and show sa mga business partners namin. At sa mga naman hindi pa business partners namin, if you are still thinking there kung gusto nyo tingnan yung aming business, nandyan po sa screen yung aming mga website ni Jao, ni Zapra, at saka ni Ken, and sa amin ni Art. Ni Jao at saka Kitson, and then kami ni Art. And mag-ano kayo dyan, i-google nyo lang siya, www, like kay Jao, josenkit.com, or kay Zapra, ginozap.com, sa Google or sa Safari, and mapupull up nyo po yung aming website. Don't worry po, it's safe kasi yung binilhan namin ng domain is regulated po yon. So, hindi siya basta-basta na akala nyo mahahack kayo or something. Hindi po, mas unsafe pa nga yung nagsha-shopping online, di ba? And dito, safe po siya. Don't worry about it. Kaya, ito po yung purpose na kami nagagawin.
Sa sa Facebook shop, ano yun?
Oh, yung marketplace.
Ilang beses pa ako na-scam, sabi ko sa Facebook ko marketplace, di ba?
Marketplace.
Yes. Di ba?
Ano ba?
Lahat ng mga sinabi ni Jeans, mga ano yon, mga based from the experience, it's true to life. She experienced it, I experienced it, Zap experienced it too.
Yeah.
So we're not just talking here like bluffing or anything, guys.
And one more thing, hindi po namin ino-offer yung business namin just to make money from you guys.
Yes.
Hindi po. Of course,
We don't get anything.
Yes.
From you guys.
We don't handle any kahit na penny, hindi po kami humahawak ng pera. We're here to mentor you, to assist you how to start your business. And if you want to know more deeper about the business, message any of us here, and andito po kami to guide you para makapag-start kayo and use it sa mga nasa US, Australia, Canada, UK, New Zealand. They can write off yung business expenses nila.
Yeah.
And all over the world po ito, global yung aming business. And ang importante naman dyan is legitimate, di ba? Legit po yung business namin. So don't worry about yung iniisip nyo na scam. Nakikita nyo kapag nakita nyo yung sasabihin nyo, it's too good to be true. Pero syempre ganyan din ang inisip namin, pero ang ano lang sa amin, hindi namin sinara yung isip namin na scam shadow na lang, hindi po. Binigyan namin ng time to research about the business at nakita namin na hindi siya legit, hindi siya scam. It's a legitimate business. Kaya kami nandito ngayon na passionate na nag-share nito sa inyo.
Kung hindi siya legitimate, may mga members din na actually, 'di ba, nasa may kaka-join lang. Congratulations kay kanina ba?
Yes.
Charis and kay Jao. Diba?
Charis and Sarah
Sarah, there you go. Congratulations. May nag-join lang po na nasa military right now. He's an Air Force, a military member. I'm
Well,
also sa mga na hindi na kilala, or so I was also a military member before. I'm
Yes.
a veteran now. I used to be in the Air Force. So, but I still work in a government, company. And so, kung hindi to legit, I could be putting myself, in trouble if I
Mhm.
join something like this, or, or putting my company in trouble. Pero hindi. Tax registered po tayo, so there's no hindi kailangan na mabahala sa mga ganong reasons. We're not a scam,
mhm.
Hindi.
so yeah, so yun, may active, not only this person, but there's a lot already that who joined na
Mm.
nasa nasa military, mga asawa na nasa military. So and they're very successful in this business. So that's one thing that actually had attracted me in joining this business too, is that yung legitimacy. And then plus what, 50 years na itong business, itong company
Yeah.
na to.
Mhm.
So paano mo pa masabing parang yung credibility niya, how can you question that, right?
Mhm.
And then ano pa?
Yun lang. At ito, abangan nyo ang pasabog ni Julian.
Uy! Yes.
Abangan nyo po kami. Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, to a more So,
Mhm.
pa, may dadagdag pa kayo before we end para hindi mabore yung ating mga Si Shay and Sis Nonon, Sis Marjorie, and she's a nurse. Sis Marjorie, thank you for watching. At saka si
Hello po. Yeah.
Yes,
Sis
hello, Julian.
Marjorie, oo, isa ka
Thank
sa
you, thank
nilulukat
you.
namin, Marge.
Yeah.
Nurse yan. From
Feeling,
SOCAT. And,
feeling ko kulang tayo ng coffee, medyo kulang tayo ng
Nagkakape kami. So,
biglaan kasi, binigla ni Sino nang bigla.
Actually, this is an impromptu. Impromptu to, di ba, Jis? It's like, oh my gosh, let's go live. Sige na nga. Late. Actually, late na. Hindi pa nag-go live si Gina for our 90 days. Me too. I wasn't able to make one. Let's go!
Pinag-isa na namin.
Hinintay pa ako, takatapos ko lang nag-pump.
I know. Kaya yun.
Talagang impromptu lang talaga, walang
So at least, di ba? Magandang lesson to sa atin, but
Eva is watching. Hello, kapatid.
Hi, Eva. Hello.
Sabi ni Sis Marjorie, this opportunity, she can tell that kasi nasa major na-reach na yung first major milestone si Sis Marjorie. And
what shall there?
Ayun lang. 'Di ba? Di ba, abangan tayo sa susunod. And yun lang, don't forget to spend quality time with your loved ones. Okay?
Yeah.
Ano pa? Additional
Or
pa
actually, for those who actually are wanting to have more quality time, I mean, that's one of the reasons. What's one of my whys, why I joined this digital business is I want more quality time with my kids. Kasi nga, I get, having mga nurses nga tayo dito sa California, but we have multiple jobs, and then, so yun nga, na parang, we're missing a lot of our time, not only with my kids, like you said, yung sa husband mo, Chow. So this is a very good business if you are or solution to that problem. Kasi when we join this business, tingnan nyo, so si Ate Gina, she's already ano ba? You quit one job now, so now she has more time with her family.
Yes.
Time freedom yun ang gusto namin dito eh. Time freedom ang isa sa mga goal natin in this business.
Yes.
So now also with Julian, actually, when you join, meron ka pa ba ng dalawa? But no, she used to have 2 jobs too. So
just after.
Yeah.
And then I was looking for a second per diem job, and then I asked Gina, will I be able to make this business kaysa sa maghahanap ako ng per diem? Sabi ko Tapos sabi niya, oo, sabi niya. Hindi sabi ko, sige na nga. Kaysa magpo-per diem ako, sige, tingnan natin. But look at it. I did not continue or pursue to look for another per diem job.
Mhm. Sa akin naman, 'di ba? O ang limang anak, parang ibig sabihin kailangan tig-iisa at ang trabaho dapat ako for anak, 'di ba? Pero hindi naman. But thankfully, thank God, actually I found this business also. It's been helping us sa family ko. It's a good side hustle sa aming mag-asawa. It became my plan B, it's providing supplemental income sa amin recently, especially now that I'm on maternity leave. Um, sa mga iba dyan na, I don't know if it's just in California, but uh, sa maternity leave kasi ng US, we only are limited depending on kung anong klaseng delivery ang meron ka. Most of the time, I only get 6 weeks. 2 months to 3 months siguro ang max na parang maternity leave mo. With most of my kids, I didn't have baby bonding time. So that's really sad, So, kasi nga, the situation is, wala kang supplemental income or naubusan ka na ng leave mo, wala nang magiging source of income mo. Maganda kung meron kang contribution sa state for state disability na magpo-provide sa'yo ng income. But if pag wala, di wala. Ano nga kami. So I'm so glad na before ako nabuntis and before these things happen, I already started my plan B. Thank you, Ate Gina, Ate Jao, so for introducing this business to me. So sa mga kasama naming mga business partners namin dyan, just just continue to show up. Don't give up on this don't give up on this business. Just it can be slow at first, pero in the right time, sa time ng nabigay ng Panginoon, it will flourish. Or parang yun nga sabi ni sino ba? Si Kuya Kuch, sabi niya, you're planting a tree, So just keep watering it, grow it. Tapos eventually we will reap yung fruits natin. Pero it's just a matter of time. But then you have to continuously take care of it, right?
Yeah.
And get better every day because keep going is not enough. Keep going and get better every day daw. Diba?
Kasi yung get better every day, 'di ba, Jao? Yeah, you have to get better every day. Papang sasabihin nila, paano? We have a training site, we have mentorship, at saka you follow the right people, yung mga successful na. Don't follow yung mga tao na negative na hindi naman nila alam kung ano tong business na sinasabi nilang scam. Of course, if you follow them, nasa isip mo, scam nga, 'di ba? But if follow daw yung mga tao na meron ng result, na meron ng napakalaking result, na meron ng time and financial freedom, dapat dun ka mag-focus. Don't be distracted sa mga negative, yung mga naysayers na sinasabi nila. Kasi madaling distract pag yun ang sinurround mo yung sarili mo sa kanila. Yun. Naku, marami pa kami sasabihin in the future.
Yeah, pero
So,
let's call it a night. Ano pa? Maliban lang.
yeah, wala na. Let's call it a night and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Maraming iba pang masasabi pag
Yes, I would like to show. Sis Shay said the beauty of this business is it's very flexible.
Yes.
Yep, time and financial freedom is really possible to achieve. Yes, nakita mo yan si Sis Shay. I really admire her, di ba? Kanya education. And yun lang. Marami pa kayong maririnig sa amin at soon, di ba?
Yes. Thank you so much for coming into our live for tonight. And just check our website. Our websites are all there on our screens.
Yes.
And we are
signing off. Website is www.jawsonkit.com. And that's yes.
For me, www.ginozap.com.
And for me and my husband, it's www.jeansdelacruz.com. So, yun lang mga kapatid. Thank you. We appreciate you,
You?
your time. And I hope nakapagbigay kami ng konting, anong tawag nito? Reminder sa inyo that spending quality time is crucial. Di ba?
Yeah.
Yes. Have a good, what's this? Ano na ba ngayon? Saturday
Saturday.
night, everyone.
Have a good weekend
Have a good
to
weekend. Thank you,
everyone.
Zhao
as
and
well. Yeah.
Zach, sa ating
Yes,
promo.
good
promo.
night.
Good night
Oh.
sa mga taga California.
Proud of you guys. Thank
Nice
you,
and God bless.
Loretta.
Thank you, Sis Loretta.
Thank you.
See you again next time. Bye-bye. God bless everyone.
Bye-bye.